Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring. Always happy to be with you. We're going to deal with a maths problem involving cubes and exponents to the power of 4. So that should be quite interesting. And as I usually do, I'm going to get straight into the question. Now, guys, when we look at something like this, it's always important that we remember BODMAS. And when I say BODMAS, I mean this new fancy bar ed mass. And what's important here is this new E that we're introducing. That E means exponent. So before we do the multiplication, we need to do the exponents first. We need to simplify those exponents. So if you look at this, you can see that that cube and that power of 4 are making this a little bit more tricky than it needs to be. And your goal is to make it less tricky. So let's start off there. So 2 cubed. What does cubed mean? 2 cubed means 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so I'm going to write that out. 2 times 2 times 2. And then I'm going to times that by 1 to the 4. What is 1 to the 4? It's 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. And we know 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is just 1. We know the rule here is 1 to anything is always 1. Except, no, actually everything. So something to keep in mind. 1 to anything is always 1. Right. Now we're going to say 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 1 is 8. And that's the answer. Nice and easy. Do you see how we were able to make it look so much simpler by applying the BODMAS rule first? Really important. This little E is amazing. Right, guys, that's all from me. Before I go, quick shout out to Bonny's Waterworld, who sponsored this video. Epic swim school in the south and the east of Johannesburg. If you're keen to get involved, see their details in the description below. Reach out to them. They'll help you swim. They'll help you swim better. And from us, make sure you visit our website. Keep learning. Keep sending us questions, and we will keep responding with personalized videos. And we will give you a shout out in all of those videos. So until then, guys, stay epic.